everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Godox TL60 tube light kit for review. Godox TL60 light tube is designed to give users the freedom to be creative in an endless array of scenarios such as filming, live streaming, photography. Thanks to DMX control, the lamp is also perfect for concert, performance and other live applications. The Godox TL60 comes in 3 kits which contain 1, 2 or 4 Godox TL60 LED lights. Godox has put together this TL60 tube light kit for image makers who regard ultimate color control, a flexible form factor, wireless use and control as top properties. The light has a built-in Li-ion battery that will give you 2 hours runtime and much more practical power. It's 29.5 inches length and 1.9 inches diameter, make mounting it universally easy or even gaffer taping it on option. It has a wand-like shape, so it just about begs to be handheld. The kit includes 2 29.5 inches TL60 tube lights, each with a power adapter, an internal battery, a power cable, an RJ145, a DS power cable, 2 wire ropes, a fixed base and a toggle clip, a remote control with a 164 range and carrying bag are also included. With multiple color modes, CRI96 and TLC-I19A ultra small control system and flexible tube design, TL60 enable variety lighting setups to represent impressive performance on highly explore creativity, carry out high-efficient shooting and produce memorable magic moments. Godox TL60 has full control over the color palette, allowing you to adjust a single color from 316,000 shades. It is possible to light in a color temperature between 2700K or 6500K. The TL60 has 39 built-in special effects that will allow you to easily achieve creative effects while recording. Among them, we can find, for example, RGB wheel, simulation of lighting, broken light bulb, police car, fire, candle, simulation of TV picture tube or music mode. The lamp reacts with lighting to sound. The lamp can be controlled by a remote control Godox light application directly on the panel or via DMX. Whether you want to create sophisticated lighting structures with multiple lamps, hand on the wall, holding the hand or any other creative use, the TL60 is the perfect solution thanks to its flexible connecting structure. In order to deliver continuous power supply for long-time shooting, TL60 equipped with built-in battery and power adapter to better support various of shooting like filmmaking. The built-in 2600 mAh battery provides a long working time of 120 minutes, continuous output 100% power and 2700K or 5600K. The Godox Light app supports Android and iOS system. It allows for finer control of the light's HSI, CCT and FX functions. The Godox Light app allows for finer control of the light's HSI, CCT and FX functions. There are a collection of Lee and Roscoe color filters available, and the color picker supports you to point your phone's camera at a color, capture it and your light will reproduce it instantly. The Godox TL60 has a wireless remote control, which is able to control up to 6 groups in 32 channels, allowing for full control of the lights, HSI, CCT and FX function sold separately. This RGB light offers a wide variety of modes, making it really easy to use in a bunch of different situations. It's pretty bright and has a very nice quality to the light. The included accessories are nice, but mounting it can be tricky depending on where you want to rig it. The performance is as expected. If you have used any professional level RGB light like Aperture, Nanolight and more, the performance of the TL60 is comparable. With Godox you get 25% more length for 20% more price. Any color you want, any brightness you want, and flicker free. Overall, it's a really best option for still or video photographers. Love this light! Thank you for watching. If you like today's video, hit the subscribe button to see video like this. Bye!